Ki Samla ñiah kali na ka jylla Meghalaya kila pau bat khur tylli ki khusnam haka Jingiakop Pynher kali bala tip kum ka 4th Street Kings Autocross Challenge 8,000 arphulai kabala long dangshen ha jylla Nagaland. Katei ki Jingiakop Pynher kali kadei ru kawei na ki Jingiakop bapher haka thaiñ Shatei Lam Mihngi haka bala wantru banya shim bynta palat khandai kawei ngut ki nongñiah kali bapau naki jylla bapher ka thaiñ Shatei Lam Mihngi ryngkat ka jing ang ngut banwan ra ka jingya tylli hapadeng ka jingya dei jong ki jylla ka thaiñ Shatei Lam Mihngi jong ka ri India. Hinongjob ha Katei ka lumpong ki kentup ya Bazely Rymbai ubala khur ya ka kerdan bandingkong ha ka open category u Elhannan Jason Syiem ha ka kerdan bandingkong jong ka rookie category u Samla Isynei Hinge ha ka kerdan ka bapher. Ha ka liang ki Katei ka Samla Chelsea bersat kala khur ya ka kerdan bandingkong bat ka noche aran chimiksa sangma ha ka kerdan balai kat ba ha ka SUV men's category u lari mukhim ula khur ya ka kerdan bapher bat uruchir marak ha ka kerdan balai bat ya ka khusnam kerpang best decorated car la ra du Samla jaki terang bat nakalian kita ki nongjob kila khuru iki khusnam pisa bat ki trophy.
Mr. Jackie Drum. Please be ready with your car. Mr. Jackie Drum.
Naka bos. Yeah.
But it so happened that it came out to be like one of the highest participating event in like so far in the Northeast region. That many event that has been successfully hosted, but this was the like highest participating so far as per news received from many club members. So it is through your participation, through your support, through your help that we were able to create this new record. So thank you so much, and hopefully in days to come we will also give our best to keep on supporting each other. And through this event, a kind of brotherly bond between the northeastern region has been created, and it will keep on. And it will continue in the days to come. To request Mr. Samuel Shohe, our jury. So for the ladies category, in the second category is Mr. Isynei Hinge. The president of the Young Minds. Thank you so much, and thank you for your contribution and your support. The first prize, Mr. Elhannan Jason Syiem. He clocked the time 1 minute 9 seconds 47 milliseconds. I request sponsored the trophy. I would like to request it. Well, for the SUV category, it was a very tough fight, a very good entertainment for all the viewers also. So, for the third place, Mr. Ruchir C. Marak from Shillong. He clocked the time 1 minute 7 seconds 53 milliseconds. In the second place, Mr. Larry Mukim. He clocked 1 minute 5 seconds 84 milliseconds. And in the first place, Mr. Anish Sangma, all the way from Tura. It was a hell of a show. He clocked the time 1 minute 5 seconds 65 milliseconds. Thank you so much, Mr. Bhagwan.